welcome back to another video, you guys. Today, as you may know by the title, we are finally going to be cleaning these headlights, the OG headlights of my Corolla, which is, it's over there, if you can see it. Oh, there it is, right there. And so yeah, we're going to be cleaning the OG. If you already probably knows about that, that if you look here, all of this is so foggy all the way to the turn signal. So today we'll be polishing that, and then we'll be making all this go away and making it look like almost like this, somewhere like this area, how it is, all nice and shiny. But yeah, we'll be doing them both. I started cleaning this one from the back because it's very dirty, and then if you notice, this one's the worst one out of that left here tail light. This one, it's all foggy, really. It basically is all here. So that we'll be cleaning this and then making it look shiny. Yeah, we'll be doing that today, and then for now I'm gonna continue cleaning the back of the headlights for that, and then yeah, it should be good from now. So from that, let's get started. Time lapse starts now. Now both taillights are perfectly almost clean up from the back. As you can see, there is a little bit dirt left, maybe. Yep, there's a little bit dirt left, but now they're way better. They're cleaner on the back, so they don't look that dirty when I install them. Once again, if my other ones do ever break or something really happens, so that's why I have these ones as backup. But yeah, now what we're gonna do is clean the area with some soapy water, and then from there we can start unfogging these headlights for my car. So yeah, from that, let's get started with that. I have the water and soap in here, and now all I want to do is just start rubbing it all over the surface. Another wipe and clean it off. I have right here. Up to do stuff like that. This is a really good use for it. Yeah, you could go buy yourself at AutoZone, any auto parts. They have this available. It does a really good job. But yeah, right now it gives you the instructions right here. It just gives you these here where you can find more. But yeah, let's get started. As you can see, it did change now. Here it is. Here it looks like right now. It is a little bit cleaner, but my brother has not done the final touches, so it still looks kind of foggy-ish, but I think in camera you cannot see it, but in person it does. Okay, you can see it from over here. There's a little bit, but my brother's gonna put the final touch. He's now gonna start with the other one, the right tail light. So I'm not gonna show you guys the process of it, on the side. So we're just gonna focus on doing this. We're gonna be focused on finish the other one, and then we're gonna see how it turns out with the fun touches. So yeah, now let's get started. So my brother is gonna start doing the final touches.
Oh, I just hit my nuts. Ouch.
Anyways, my brother's gonna do the final touches, and he's gonna make it look way better than how it is right now. So he's gonna grab the lens wipe.
Here we go. Open the zip. Here we get it. And what's the satisfying noise? No. Oh wow, it's small from here. Now he's gonna oh. Oh dang, that's inside coming out real good.
As you can see, looking way much better now. Oh yes, there's gonna be some little bit of leftovers yellow of it, but it's all part of it.
All because of nature. Oxidation.
Now my brother's gonna be cleaning it. So, as you can see, we are finished now. My brother did the final touches. You may notice there is still hazy left, but this is the OG ones, so it isn't gonna look perfect as much, but at least you got clearance now. You could see much better, but hopefully this thing lasts for another few more years, and then
I don't know about a few more years,
but
like
that's how it turned out to be. You could look at the before and after. It looked way more hazy,
you can just put
but
a picture
now
of before after.
it doesn't look as bad how it used to. Here's the other one, same as well, but yep. That's how you unfog your headlights, and now we're just gonna let the other ones stay there. But as for now, these ones are gonna go back to storage. Keep them until they're gonna be useful once again. So in that note, thanks for watching today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Also as well, make sure to follow my brother over here who did the job. He knows he did it earlier, so yeah.
Just show them with the van.
Yep. So that's how it's gonna look like. But yeah, don't forget, follow me on my Instagram. And yeah, from that on, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Pocket pussy.